Welcome. In today's video, we're going to look at how you can show your last seen to only your contacts on WhatsApp for PC. This feature has just been updated, and it's a great way to keep your activity visible only to the people you know, while maintaining your privacy from everyone else. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Once it's launched, take a look at the bottom left or top left corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon. That's your settings menu. Go ahead and click on it to open the settings panel. Inside the settings window, you'll see several options to customize your WhatsApp experience. Now, click on the one labeled Privacy. This is where you can control who sees your information and how visible you are across the app. Next, under Privacy, find the section that says Last Seen. This setting determines who can see when you were last active on WhatsApp. With the new update, WhatsApp has made this feature more flexible and easier to manage right from your desktop. When you click on Last Seen, you'll see a few options: Everyone, My Contacts Except, and Nobody. To show your last seen only to people in your contact list, select My Contacts. And that's it. Once you click that option, the change will be saved automatically. From now on, only the people you've added to your contacts will be able to see your last seen time on WhatsApp. It's a simple but powerful way to keep your communication more personal and private. If you ever want to change it again, just go back to the same settings and choose a different option. It only takes a few seconds. And there you have it, the quick and easy way to show your last seen to your contacts on WhatsApp for PC. Make sure to check for updates often, as WhatsApp continues adding new privacy tools to help you stay in control of your online activity.